What's going on, y'all? We just got pulled up to Trey's place. Let's see what he's been doing to the car. Oh yeah, baby. What's going on, sir, Trey?
Working hard.
Working hard? Hardly working. Oh shit. Damn. You did all this by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, boss. What do we have here? Oh. Oh. Yeah, Jimmy. I see you. Look at that. Ooh. R33 GTR. Beautiful, beautiful car. So fun fact, I actually rode in this car probably 2-3 months ago, and I nearly shit myself of how fast it was. And it was fun. Like, I should have just shit myself in the car. Alright, Trey. What do you call a bee that's a crip?
A what?
A bee that's a crip.
A crippled bee.
Because.
Oh shit, man.
Alright, so Trey, Sir Trey, is what he prefer. He's going to be doing a full walkthrough of the vehicle to let me know what he found and see if anything that needs to be adjusted or fixed. So here he goes. Come on.
So, yeah, I guess, you know, we'll take a look underneath here to show you kind of the common rust points you see on these cars. Unfortunately, you know, these are really old cars, came from a salty environment, and the way they were made, they just kind of, you know, rust over time. And I would say this is probably the most common area you can find. It's right underneath the wheel well. You can see it's kind of advanced. It's kind of poking through, but it's not the end of the world. I mean, it can always be repaired. If you walk through here, you can kind of see it's had some abuse over the years, but again, not the end of the world.
And he got the motor and trans out by himself. He's just that good. How long did it take you?
It's about 6 hours.
6 hours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Took my time.
Alright.
So from here, then I'll get the motor off the cradle and the subframe, and then I'll put it back on the car. That way it can roll it around the shop, you know. And then we'll start disassembling the motor and get everything organized. These look new. Did you replace these?
What was that?
O2
No, I didn't.
Someone did. One less thing you gotta do.
Anything crazy you found so far?
Oh, no, not really. I guess just the rust. I was always surprised, really. You know? Everything's straightforward so far.
So if y'all need somebody to work on your car, that's the man right there. Hey, you got a girlfriend?
No.
And he's single? So guys and girls, slide in his DMs. Alright, I'm gonna find you a girl.
Take the motor out of the cradle and then disassemble everything. We're going to label everything in bags, all the parts, all the bolts, get everything organized, and then completely disassemble the short block. Take check out all the pistons, the crank, everything. And then we're gonna bring the block, the head, the crank to the machine shop, check all the tolerances. Based off of that, we will order the correct size pistons and bearings. And then set all these clearances and then do all the machine work. And then we'll assemble the motor back together here in-house, and then basically put it all back together. When we put it back together, you know, clean everything best we can. All this stuff will be powder coated so it looks nice and new. And that's pretty much the gist of it.
Cool. Alright y'all, I just pulled up to the house. I'm gonna go take a nap. I'm pretty exhausted from just driving in the heat. And you know, Texas heat ain't no joke. So I'm gonna take a nap. I'll get you more updates on the car as Trey goes on. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Perfect.
Alrighty then.
That was my first shot in 3 months. Whoa.
Have my face.
So like,
I don't never taste something nice.
That's not even a lot.
For a drink, yeah, it's not a
Okay.
lot, but.
Dude, the strawberry lemonade is pretty good. It tastes like for roll-ups.
Black cherry is good. It's a little.
Ooh.
Ooh la la.
my first time trying Truly's lemonade flavor.
Can you put your bones here?
Tastes like the yellow lemonade. It just tastes like lemonade.
Yeah.
Does it get fucked up?
Fucked up.
What's this?
Very fruity, very sweet.
That's it?
It's good. I like it.
Let me try.
Oh shit.
Whoa.
Oh, it's too sweet.
Mango sweet.
What did you have?
Strawberry lemonade.
I feel like it's not called that, but I don't know what it's called.
Where's this from?
HEB.
Is it like the ones we gave your parents?
No, this looks way better.
Okay, this. This is not going well. I feel like you should blow your candle.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, we weren't gonna sing?
No, she didn't want us to sing. This was her song.
Where's your birthday shot?
Oh shit.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you
Oh my
right?
god, I'm sweating.
I'm gonna keep this happy birthday song. Someone gonna pour her a shot?
I got it.
Dan, I'm not making her pour hers.
Wait, is everybody drinking?
Fine.
No, just you. What do you call a couch that doesn't want to commit? A pull-out couch.
I'm done with you.
Wait, is it mine?